Good morning, guys. So that is Mount Hibok Hibok. Actually, we are here in Camiguin, and actually, this island is called the Island of Fire. So may bulkan dito, guys. So yan. Ang oras ito ay 6 a.m. in the morning. We are actually in a private resort here. So malapit tayo sa Dalampasigan, guys. Here. So we are staying in villas. This is the 360 view of this resort. So yan, guys, Mount Hibok Hibok.